guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited. Benefit sent over their Hello Happy and it's their Velvet Powder foundations. You guys know I've never tried any Benefit foundations before ever in my whole life because my Ulta sucks and they're always out of stock of everything. And I really don't like ordering foundation offline because it's really hard, I think, picture-wise to match up to your skin for me personally, because I can't even match it in person. I feel like I'm the worst skin shade matcher thing ever. So doing it online would probably be bad news. So anyway, let's get to it. I am going to, they sent me a few different shades. I'm gonna try Hello Happy 4 because I'm kind of tan and I have a little bit of a yellow undertone. I don't know, maybe I do, maybe I don't. All you professional makeup artists out there that are way more cooler and successful than me, don't judge me, okay? I'm just going off of what I think in my life. Everyone always says that online. They're like, you look yellow. But then in real life, people are like, no, you don't really look yellow. So I don't know. I feel like I have gotten better though, picking my shades. We'll see. Opening it up, it's right here. So there's a little mirror here. And then here is the powder. Ooh, it feels like baby powder kind of. So typically, because it's summertime, I just like to put bronzer on my skin and I'm pretty much good to go unless I have like I always get a zit in the same spot, which is right here because I sweat and then I touch it, which you should not do. Brush for light coverage, or you could do liquid foundation and then set it on top. Tip 2, sponge for medium to full coverage. Easy touch-ups, pat gently with a sponge. So it says that it's supposed to minimize shine, which I'm pretty shiny because I just did like a face mask routine thing. So we'll see if that holds true. And then it says it's easy to build coverage and it says it makes your skin feel velvety soft. I'm gonna start with the brush and get light coverage and see if I can build it up. I feel like that's what I should do. Going like this, a lot definitely kind of fell off, which whatever. I guess that's to be expected because it's velvety. Here's the real test. If I can cover this red old zit and my hyperpigmentation right here. So I'm just swiping it on lightly. Okay. So you can tell I'm shiny and it says it's just to cover the shine. We'll see too. And this is the light coverage way. Feels good though. Definitely feels nice on the skin. It doesn't feel oily or greasy or anything like that. It doesn't feel thick or heavy and cakey, which I love. I love that. I feel like this is a nice light coverage. I feel like I'm pretty happy with it because I can still see my freckles. It took away a little bit of the shine, not too much though. But they said that this is the light coverage. My redness isn't completely gone and my hyperpigmentation isn't completely gone. All right, so to get more full coverage, I'm gonna use the sponge. Gently pat. Oh, wow, hello. I'm really surprised. My hyperpigmentation is pretty much gone. I wasn't expecting that actually. Well, is that a trick? I feel like I just got punked. My zit's like gone. And I barely put any on. Holy, I don't think I'm supposed to say that. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna put a little under here. Wow! And I have no foundation on. Oh my God. I was not expecting this. I thought this was gonna be a lie, to be honest with you guys. I kind of feel like I was talking a little bit of shit like, okay, and it actually ended up working. Oh my goodness. I feel like this would look really, really good on top of foundation too. All right, let's see the shine. I feel like I look a little flat. I would definitely add a little bronzer or something because I just, wow. I feel like my skin looks like airbrushed or something. I ain't mad about it though. I'm surprised. I was not expecting this. Okay, so I personally like a little bit of shine, but this did what it said it was supposed to do. It took away all the shine, which I'm completely shocked about. Okay, I'm just gonna take one step because I have somewhere to go and I can't, listen, my skin looks really good right now. I like what this did. I like what happened here. But I'm just gonna add a little bit to my face because it definitely took away the shine, which I wanted to keep the shine. It's not their fault. They said it was gonna take away it, but I didn't really believe it. So I'm actually gonna take their Cheerleader palette. So I'm gonna take Dallas. And I'm just gonna dust it into here. So taking a little dandelion, And then I'm going to take Tickle, which looks like the prettiest little highlight. I am just going to put a little bit on my cheeks to kind of bring some of that shine back, because I like a little shine. So I'm pretty happy. I feel like that could have taken, if I didn't talk to you guys forever, that could have taken 2 seconds, and I really, really like it. This is my kind of makeup look, just like subtle, gentle. Let me know if you guys decide to try these powders, if you're planning on buying them, what's going on, and Mommy. Hi! Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon.